Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hashim Ali Khan here. Right now we are discussing the subject cost accounting. In this cost accounting, the topic is material costing. So already so many videos I have uploaded on this topic of material costing. So hope my regular viewers have already watched the theory video of materials. Then after that we have solved the short problems on material, and almost more than 20 problems main problems we have solved on material costing. So different types of problems like EOQ problems, stock level problems, then pricing of material issues problems, all these problems I have solved. So if you are new to my channel, first time if you are watching, go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject cost accounting. In that cost accounting you'll find the material costing videos. So first you watch the material costing introduction video. You will get the complete command on the theoretical concept. Then watch the video on short problems. Starting first 2 to 3 videos are very important. So if you have not followed the first 2 to 3 videos, then definitely it will be difficult for you to understand. So don't skip in between, watch the video till the end if you want the complete thorough knowledge on this topic of material costing. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a hard copy of the problems which are provided in the link under my description. Without having the problem, you cannot understand the explanation of the solution. So keep it ready. Now I'm starting the next problem, that is 22nd problem. See, the following is an extract of the record of receipts and issue of sulfur in a chemical factory during a month. So we are given the different transaction of movement of stores. So February 1st, opening balance 500 tons at 200 rupees per ton. Then February 3rd, issue 70 tons. February 4th, issued 100 tons. 8th Feb, issued 80 tons. 13th Feb, received 200 tons at 190 rupees. And 14th Feb, there is a return from the department. Whenever there are special issues like return from the department or shortages or returns to the supplier or transfers, all these things, we open a separate column for remarks. In that remarks column, we write down all these abnormal items. If there are no abnormal items, without using the remarks column, we can complete the stores ledger. Here, return from the department 15 tons. 16th Feb, issue 180 tons. 18th Feb, received 340 tons. 24th Feb, issue 300 tons. 25th, received 320 tons at 190. 26th Feb, issue 115 tons. 27th, return from department 35 tons. 28th, received 100 tons at 190. Issues are priced on the principle of FIFO. So we have to follow first in first out method. The stock verifier has found a shortage of 10 tons on 22nd Feb. So on 22nd Feb, on physical verification of the stock, it was found that 10 tons were in shortage. So we have to record the shortage in issue column and left a note accordingly. Draw up a priced stores ledger card for the material showing the above transactions. This is the problem. Some abnormal items are there. That's why stores ledger account FIFO, date, receipts, issues, balance, and remarks column. Right? Now, February 1st, there is opening balance. Opening balance will be taken only in balance column. 500 units, 200 rupees per ton. So 500 into 200, 1 lakh rupees is the opening balance. Write opening balance in remarks column. Then 3rd Feb. On 3rd Feb, there is issue of 70 tons. So from this 500, 70 tons are issued at 200 rupees, 14,000. Now what is the balance? 500 minus 70, 430. 200 rupees. So 86,000. Now 4th Feb, there is issue of 100 tons, 200 rupees, 20,000. Subtract of the 430 minus 100, 330, 266,000. 8th Feb, there is issue of 800 tons, 200 rupees, 16,000. Subtract 330 minus 80, 250 tons. At the rate of 200 rupees, 50,000. On 13th Feb, there is receipt of 200. There is purchase of 200 tons at rupees 190. So 38,000 is the new lot. So what is the balance now? Old lot 250 units, 200 rupees, 50,000. New lot 200 units, 190, 38,000. We are following FIFO method. That's why every lot should be kept separate. 14th, return from the department. It is given that on 14th there is a return of 15 tons At what rate? Not given in the problem. So what was the rate previously it was issued? This return from the department we got from the previous issue. The previous issue was this one. At what rate issued? 200 rupees rate the previous issue was made. From this previous issue it was returned back to the stores department. Returned back to the stores department. So this last issue price was 200. So return price also I have taken 200. So 15 into 200, 3000. Now according to the principle, the material which is returned back should be issued first. The material which is returned back to stores should be issued first. That's why this 15 tons I am taking in the top. Then I will take 250 and 200. Right? तो मटेरियल जो रिटर्न वापस होके आता है उसको पहले इश्यू करना है, इसीलिए that's why I am writing on the top. 15, 200, 3000. Then 250, 200, 50,000, 200, 190, 38,000. Return from the department is the remark. Now 16th, there is issue of 180 tons. 180 tons is the issue. Now we are following FIFO method, first in, first out. So first I will issue this 15 tons at 200 rupees, 3000. Then out of this 250, I need to issue 165 because totally 180 tons I have to issue. So 180 minus 15 is 165. This 165 I will issue from this 250 tons. At what rate? 200. So 15, 200, 3000, 165, 200, 33,000. So out of this 250, 165 gone. So remaining 85. 250 minus 165, 85 tons, 200 rupees. Last 200, 190, 38,000. Same. 20th. On 20th, there is a purchase of 240 tons. So 240 into 190, 45,600 is a purchase. New lot received. Now old lot, 85, 200 is the old lot and 240 new lot. So I have taken the total. Now 22nd. It is given in the problem. On 22nd, there is a shortage found for 10 tons and noted accordingly. So 10 tons was shortage found in on 22nd. So nothing is given at what rate, from which lot there is a shortage. Nothing is given. So we assume the shortage is from the opening balance. That is the assumption. In working note, you're right. It is assumed that shortage was from the opening stock. What was the price of opening stock? 200 rupees. So shortage also I have taken 200. So 10 into 200, 2000 rupees is the value of the shortage. Now out of 85 tons, 10 tons shortage. So 75. 85 minus 10, 75 into 200, 15,000. Remaining 200 and 240 same as it is. Then 24th, there is issue of 300 tons. There is issue of 300 tons given in the problem. So how to issue 300? First I am issuing 75 fully. Second I am issuing 200 fully. Thirdly, from this 240 tons I am issuing 25. If you add up these three, it will become 300. So first 75 fully issued, 200 fully issued, out of 240, 25 issued. So remaining 215. So 215 into 190, 40,800. Now 25th. 25th, there is purchase of 320 tons at 190, 60,800. So 215 and 320, 190, 190. Now on 26th, there is issue of 115 tons. So how to issue, from which to issue 115 tons? From this 215 tons, I am issuing 115 at 190. So 215 minus 115, it is 100 tons, 190. Second lot 320 as it is. Now on 27th, there is purchase of 35 tons at 190 rupees. So 35 into 190, 6,650. This 35 tons are the return. 35 tons are the return from the department. At what price it will be returned? Last issue. The last issue was 190. The last issue was 190 price. At 190 price, we will record the return from the department. So 35 tons are the return from the department. At the last issue price 190. So 6,650. This returned material should be kept on the top because next time we have to issue first. So 35 I have taken on the top at 190. Then remaining 100 and 320 I have taken same. Then last transaction 28th Feb. On 28th Feb 100 tons were purchased at 190 rupees. So 19,000. Now the total stock is 35, 100, 320 plus 100. New stock purchased is 100. So totally 4 lots we have, and all the 4 lots are the priced at 190 rupees. So this is the value of the closing stock on 28th Feb. So this is the end of problem number 22. Come on, we'll do the last and final problem on this cost accounting, material costing. So 23rd problem will be the last one. So 23 long problems and 10 short problems. If you watch, definitely you will get a good command on this topic of material costing. See the last and final problem on this material costing. 23rd, I'm reading out. The following is the record of receipts and issues of certain material in a factory during a week. December 1st, opening balance 50 tons at rupees 10 per ton. Opening balance will be taken only in the balance column. December 2nd, issued 30 tons. December 3rd, 60 tons at rupees 10.20 per ton. Then December 4th, issued 25 tons. Stock verifier reveals loss of 1 ton. So on this 4th date, 4th December, 2 transactions we have to record. The first transaction, 25 tons were issued. At the same time, the stock verifier has found that 1 ton there is a shortage. 1 ton there is a shortage. The shortage should be recorded in issue column, and corresponding remarks column will give an explanation. Then December 5th, received back from work. Received back from work. Work means factory. From the factory, material are returned back to stores. Then previously issued at 9.90 per ton. December 6th, issued 40 tons. December 7th, received 22 tons at 10.30. December 8th, issued 33 tons. Make out stores ledger account using FIFO method. So simply, first of all, we have to make the stores ledger account by following FIFO method. Secondly, we have some abnormal items, like there is a shortage of material and there is a return back of material from the works, from the factory to the stores department. That's why we have to open the column of remarks to give the explanation. Now see carefully. Stores ledger account FIFO method, date, receipts, issues, balance and remarks column. Right? December 1st, there is an opening balance. So opening balance will be recorded only in balance column. 50 units, 10 rupees, 500 rupees. So opening balance. Then 2nd December. On 2nd December, there is issue of 30 tons given in the problem. So 30 tons was issued at what price? 10 rupees. So 30 into 10, 300 rupees. So 50 minus 30, 20 rupees. 20 units, 10 rupees, 200 is the value. Now 3rd December, there is receive of 60 units. 60 units are received at 10.20. So 612 is the value. Now we have to keep it separate because we are following FIFO method. That's why we have to keep every lot separate. The first 20 tons at 10 rupees, now received 60 tons at 10.20. So 60 into 10.20, 612. 2 lots we have in the balance. Now 4th. On 4th, there is issue of 25 tons. It is given in the problem, 25 tons were issued. So we will issue 20 tons. FIFO method, first in, first out. First lot 20 tons will issue fully at 10 rupees. From this 60 tons, we are issuing 5 tons at rupees 10.20. So 5 into 10.20, 51. Remaining, out of 60, 5 tons were issued. So 60 minus 5, 55. 55 into 10.20, 561. That's it. Now 4th date, same 4th date, the stock verifier has found 1 ton there is a loss of material. The shortage 1 ton will be recorded in issue column. Will be recorded in issue column. So we will record this 1 ton issue at what price? We assume that shortage was at the end of the day. So at what value the material was there in the stock? 10 rupees 20 paisa. The last balance was 10.20. So we record the shortage also at 10.20. So we assume the shortage was recorded at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, what is the price? 10.20. On that assumption, we are taking 10.20 into 1, 10 rupees 20 paisa. So 55 minus 1, 55 minus 1 is 54 tons at 10.20. So 550.8. In remarks column, we'll write on loss of 1 ton noticed. Loss of 1 ton noticed. Now 5th December, there is purchase of 10 tons at 9.90 per ton. 99 rupees. Now we keep it separate. 10. First of all, these 10 tons are returned back from the works. Returned back, received back from the work. Work means factory. From factory, it is returned back to the stores. So this at what rate? Given in the problem 9 rupee 90 paisa. Given in the problem at 9.90, it is received back into stores. So 99. Now according to principle, the material which is returned back into stores should be issued first next time. Next time when we should issue this returned material first. That's why I am keeping this 10 tons on top. 10, 9.9, 99, 54, 10.20, 550.8. In remarks column, we'll write on received back from work. Now on 6th, there is issue of 40 tons given in the problem. 40 tons issued. So first we'll issue this 10 at 9.9, 99. From this 54, I am issuing 30 because totally 40 tons we have to issue. So 40 minus 10, 30 tons we have to issue. So 30 at 10.20, 306. So 54 minus 30, so remaining 24 tons, 10.20, 244.8. On 7th, there is received purchase of 22 tons at 10.30 per ton. So 226.6. Now the balance will be old stock 24 at 10.20. New stock purchased is 22, 10.30, 226. Right? Now 8th one. 8th one, there is issue of 24 plus 9, 33 tons. 33 tons it is given in the problem. 33 tons are issued on 8th. So 33 tons, how we will issue? The first lot 24 we will issue fully at 10.20, 244.8. Now 33 minus 24, you will get 9 tons. So this 9 tons will be issued from the second lot. So 22 में से 9 tons issue करेंगे 10.30, 92. The remaining 22 minus 9, the remaining is 13 tons at 10.30, so 133.90. That's all the transactions are recorded. Now the closing balance on 8th of December, the closing balance is 13 tons, 10.30, 133.9. This is the closing balance. That's all. So this is the end of problem number 23. So viewers and my regular students, this is the completion of the topic material costing. So in this subject of cost accounting, I have started with the topic unit and output costing. Then I have explained about contract costing, job costing, process costing, then overhead, labor, material. Totally 7 topics I have covered fully in this subject of cost accounting. So if you want the complete knowledge on this subject, watch the video, all the video till the end. Then only you will become perfect on this subject of cost accounting. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, with my videos, give a like to the videos, give your comments. I am eagerly waiting for your comments. Apart from that, spread these videos in your group, in your circles, in your friends, so that more and more students can get the benefit from these videos. And lastly, if you have not subscribed, subscribe it. I have uploaded many videos in my playlist. You can frequently visit the playlist and find out which are the subjects you are interested in. Watch those subjects. You will get a lot of knowledge. So all the best for your preparations. See you again in the next subject. I am going to start the next subject in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.